If I had access to these keys, I would do just that. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. Now today, these keys represent something that is so special to automotive enthusiasts around the world. This 992RS, either in factory spec with an exhaust, whatnot, has captured the imagination of everybody around the world because this 992 really looks as close to an RSR car of anything we've ever seen. Compared to 991.2, this car has a level of aggression in its bodywork and the way it performs unlike anything else out there. Whether you have a Huracan, you have an Aventador, you have any of these other supercars, you guys know that when we bring you a Valvetronic video, we're gonna bring you an incredible vehicle, but also an incredible experience with the exhaust exposure. For the 992RS, you've got R1, you've got JCR, you've got Gintani, you've got all these great companies that are based around the world that manufacture some incredible systems. The Valvetronic system that we're going to show you in this video is our RSR package, which has no valves and it's a free flow configuration with the headers that are installed on the car. The important thing to know about the parameters I just articulated is this is the ultimate RSR sound setup, and it's at a price that's about half of what the other companies are out there. Dundon is around 20,000, JCR is around 15,000, R1 is about 17,000. All these companies, they make absolutely world-class systems, top-notch. But at Valvetronic, we wanted to deliver enthusiasts the same level of experience in terms of the sound quality, material configurations, and quality at a price that we thought was a little bit more reasonable. So you could take this system, put it on your GT3, put it on your RS, and be able to really enjoy one sound characteristic with no valves, a completely unrestricted free flow experience that delivers that RSR pitch that we all love. Throughout the rev range you'll hear in this video, the car has such music. Some other systems on the market are extremely peaky. They just give you the high pitch. This system gives you the depth down low and the RSR up high. Let's get to it, guys. I'm psyched to show you this car. Take a look. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think it matches the key quite well. Obviously, inspiration from the RSR car that I happened to see personally at Goodwood, not this past year, but the year prior, had a similar type of livery, same color, and obviously the cuts for the pig. In this video, guys, we're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, we can do hard accelerations, we'll do launch controls, and we have a really great section of road to enjoy this 992RS on. I don't know about you, but I'm psyched. Let's see how special these keys really are with the Valvetronic RSR experience. Let's go. As we get this thing warmed up, at the low RPMs, 2,500, it's just so intoxicating and exciting in here compared to the factory exhaust experience. Even rolling around at really, really low speeds, one modification, which is an exhaust system, can transform this vehicle to be something so much more enticing than a factory configuration. Yes, the car has the looks, it has the track driving characteristics, but you really need the right exhaust package to increase your overall drama and real enjoyment of this platform. Let's talk about the design characteristics and criteria of this exhaust system. So this is the full RSR package. It's got a set of headers, then it has our rear section. The rear section is extremely special because what it does is it comes together out of the headers, comes together, and then it merges into a single 3-inch section that wraps all the way around, which gives you a huge push in velocity. Ultimately, when you talk about the quality of sound and how exotic and, let's say, RSR the car sounds, you're mostly talking about velocity. The more velocity you have, the more exotic the sound is. So with taking those two sections into one, you don't lose any down low throttle response, but you pick up so much exotic RSR sound up high because of that single section. All the exhaust gas is getting funneled together and then fired out of the exhaust tips. You guys will hear in the flybys, this exhaust setup has a very unique flavor to others on the market. We couldn't be more proud of this development. It really is an unparalleled experience. Now we've got a little bit of oil temperature. I'm gonna stop talking, just enjoy the interior experience of what is, personally, I'm obviously a little bit biased, but the best sounding 992 RS out there. So that, everybody, is the Valvetronic RSR experience. Again, this system with no valves is a little contrary to the Valvetronic theme, but enthusiasts asked us to develop and engineer the ultimate experience for the 992 platform, whether you have a GT3, a Touring, an ST, or a GT3RS of the 992 variation. In this video, we showcase what it sounds like with the headers. You can combine this rear section with stock headers. You can do 200 cell headers. You can do whichever headers you like as long as they fit with the factory rear muffler section. So this setup, you're getting a ton of RSR sound, and of course with the headers, you're picking up a lot of volume as well. So if you're looking to get exhaust for your GT3, RS, ST, or Touring, let us know. Check us out at valvetronic.com. Please reach out if you have any further questions. Feel free to give us a phone call, email us on our live chat. We're here to make sure that we can deliver the ultimate experience for all the 992 Porsche owners and Porsche owners alike around the world. In the next video, you'll see the same car, but we're gonna put our valved rear section on. You can compare what might be the best setup for you. Valve flexibility might be valuable for you. For others, if you don't need the valves, this is the way to go. And we look forward to seeing you guys in that video. Take care.